Hello, and welcome back to Planned on Planning. We are here in my social planner, and as you can see, we have this lovely blank canvas to work with and to start with. So let's get to going. No more playing around, no more beating around the bush. We getting straight to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So we're just gonna push this over to the side, get our nice papers ready to go, and bust out that washi. Now, what I decided this week, because I'm actually trying to coordinate all my planners. Well, aside from my fitness planner, because it's fitness that you can't fitness everything out. But I'm trying to coordinate my other three planners, my personal planner, my social planner, and my gratitude planner, with colors. Washi wise, not really stickers, but more so just the washi. So this week we decided to, or I decided, we in this, I decided to go with some pink and blues. So in my personal planner, I had the pink and blues I had the pink and blues here and also here. And now I'm doing some pink and blues and golds for my social planner. So you see, everything's kind of mixing and matching and looking lovely. So because this one is rather thin, we are going to double up the fun as we go across the top. And then we have this cute gold foiled washi that says love. So let's get to going. Let's stop playing around. Y'all play too much. So we're going to get rid of this. Bam. And then we're going to get the going on the washi. One time for the one time. If I can find the start, that'd be even easier. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring this all the way up to the top. Oh, actually, because we're doubling it up, new thing we started, we're getting rid of this line here. Yes. I just got a little hiccup there. Bam. Alright, so let's get rid of this line. I don't want that shining through. Well, aside from getting on the table, I accidentally knocked off a little bit of the Friday. But Friday not going to be that mad at me. Friday know we still cool. Alright, so I'm going to start up at the top corner here. And then I'm just going to use the top of the page to keep me going. And I'm just coming straight across. How you like me now? If that ain't the most beautiful thing I've seen. Well, aside from when I look in the mirror. Alright. Bam. And then we're just going to go right under it. I'm not even going to bother. I'm just going to put it right above the Monday and see where that takes me. I mean, it does overlap just a tad, to be honest. But they're both gold lines. So, bam. You can't even tell. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Just beautiful. Wait. Alright, here we go. Beautiful. Alright, so let's go for the other side. And like I said, once again, just going for the top corner. And when I do that, I don't want to hold it down too hard, because I want to make sure I can get the bubbles out if there are any. I mean, sometimes you're so good you don't get no bubbles, but sometimes you do. So you just want to give it just a little wiggle room, so to speak. And then I'm doing this side. I'm bringing it straight across, just above the Friday. I know Friday's kind of getting taken advantage of, truthfully. But Friday knows we love it, so Friday's not crying. Alright. And just a nice little tear. And bam, we are done. Now, the washi that we have going along with it is the love. So let's get some love popping off. Hello. All right, now love is going this way, and I'm not gonna rack my brain trying to figure it out and hold it, and because I'm right-handed, so flip, and we're gonna start right above the Saturday and go straight across, and I press it just to make sure everything is sticking, and I tear. Alrighty, so we're going right above the Sunday, straight across. Wait, I got a little, there we go. There was a little bit of a ripple. Bam. And then last but not least, right across the bottom. There we go. And we're doing the second side, going straight across, right above the Thursday. Nice little tear. Oh gosh, it's not tearing. Well, you know what? I have scissors. Ha! Thought you was gonna get me. No, no, boo-boo. Take them scissors right to it. I don't know why she thinks it always has the upper hand. Guess we showed them. Alright, so on to the next day, Wednesday. Ooh. Wednesday. Oh gosh, this washi. Okay, the washi wins. Alright, I bow down. As soon as I got too cocky for the washi showed me who was boss. And clearly it continues to show me who's boss. What the heck? Alright, but like I said, I got scissors. Of course it would do this when I'm almost done. Alright, one more done. Got the Tuesday going. Going up on the Tuesday. And let's give it one more try. Bam. Alright. Alright. So when we cooperate and we work together, look at what we turn out with. Something so lovely, something so gorgeous, something that's totally in all mine. Actually, I didn't want to do the bottom when I first started, but now I'm looking at it and I feel like I do. So one more flip. I don't know. I just feel like it'll look a little bit more complete, spread a little bit more love and joy. So I'm just going to use the bottom corner to go all the way across. Bottom corner to go all the way across. There we go. Bam. All right. Let's take a gander now. Ha 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 ha. Yes, it is definitely more of a completed look, and I completely and totally love it. So, first things first, let's get our weekend banner popping. You know how much I love a weekend banner. All right, let's get that on there. I'm just making sure it's nice and stuck. I have these wonderful gold stickers that I use from time to time, that I'm going to use for the to-do list, or so I can create my to-do list anyway. And I'm just gonna put them right here on the side from a 5 days. And then I have some other ones that I want to use for a Saturday and Sunday. Those are a tad bit different. Or should I still put it under? Let me see. No, because I write over here. Maybe I should. Oh, no. I'm going to put these. These are like half moon to-dos that I'm putting for Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so that's something that we started. And I had just some little inspo, a work card, and a work it, girl. I'm gonna put that over there. Alright. So, let me see. I have a deadline that I want to use. Just like down here. Well, actually, I'm trying to think when the actual deadline is. Alright, it's more so Sunday. Like the actual end. It has to be done by then. Alright, there we go. Okay. So, what I want to do now is this bottom part. The sticker we were using last week. And I want to do the pretty lovely in there. So you see how that just perfectly works out. Like I said, these things take some time. I know I'm going all gold. Well, I'm going to add some pink and greens in a minute. I mean some pink and blues. Sorry. In a minute. So here's the pretty. And then I want to add the lovely. Like I said, patience is definitely what it takes to use this. Because you have to just take it up little by little. Alright. And then I'm going to do the lovely. Like, isn't she lovely? Perfect. Perfect. Now I have this little thing. This little up arrow. Ooh. Wait. Just hanging off the page. Alright. Let's push it a little more. Bam. There we go. And now I can add some flair. I wanted to get that down before I added some flair. Because I have some gold flair. Ha ha. Not a whole bunch because I don't want to get too wild and carried away, but just a little bit. Just a little bit. Bam. I love it. I love it. Alright. Now let's get our other stickers going. These stickers I have here works with our banner colors. So now we're really starting to tie everything in. Okay. So these are the stickers that we have. Let me put it down. So these are the stickers that we have. They totally bring in all the colors that we're using. And let's work. Let's work. Let's work. Look at this. I can't even. I love it. I can't. I can't. My favorite thing in the whole wide world, some pretty little lashes. Bam. And then for my Saturday, I'm not feeling it. Don't want to do any work. But I get up and I get it popping. By Sunday, I'm on some straight. I need a vacation. There we go. Payday's coming up, so we gotta make sure the bills are paid. This is a little cute one. It says ate my veggies. I'm gonna put that like up on this Monday. I don't know, it's super random, but I love it. Alright, I got a little best ever going on. Let's do it here. Best ever. We're gonna highlight something that happened that day. I have this little thing. And because we're following positivity, nope to the bad energy. Bam. So I have a whole bunch of positive stickers going on. I love the direction we took and everything that's happening. I love the completed look. It's a great foundation to start with. So I'm super, super excited about that. I thank you guys so much for joining me today on my social planner and making sure I have it in order. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm definitely responding and getting in touch with you guys. So you can comment on the video below, right below the video. You can go ahead and send me an email. I'm checking that like 6 million times a day, so you know I'm gonna respond back. And if you're following me already on social media, feel free to go ahead and slide into my DMs. That's right, go ahead and slide, boo. But I thank you so much for being here. I cannot wait to see you again. But until next time, have a wonderful week.